Happy birthday, Pinsan, Chole! Busy tayo kasi. I wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. Love you.
Happy birthday, Kacholeng! 75? 75. Batang-bata. Kaya pa yan. Go, go,
Yan,
go.
yan.
Enjoy your big day. Happy birthday. We love you.
Love you, love you.
Ate Choleng, kumusta kayo dyan? Happy birthday ha. 75 ka na pala. Bata pa yan. Kasi edad mo si Pepe. Oh. Enjoy kayo dyan ha.
Happy birthday, Ate Choleng. We are here
In my place.
with your daughter, and we'll remember you. And hopefully, that particular day, you have a really nice and happy day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Choleng. Happy birthday, Choleng. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Choleng. Choleng, it's very, we are very happy here that you reached you're 75 years old. So, you are very lucky. Thank you, Lord, for your life. That you continue your life because of your family, especially your grandchildren.
Hi, Ate Choleng. Happy birthday. Para sa bingo, ang 75, alam mo na, sabi, matanda. Pero kalabaw lang ang tumatanda. Okay? Beauty pa rin, di ba? O sige, happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. Over here is your daughter. I hope she's okay and I think she's okay. Sige, everything good. Happy birthday from Australia.
Happy birthday, Solly! It's your birthday today. Happy birthday and many more years to come of your birthday. Sana malakas pa tayo when we reach older than 75 years. Happy birthday.
75th birthday, Ate Choleng. More blessings. We love you. Miss you.
Hello. Binabati ko si Ate Choleng ng kanyang 75th birthday na kaarawan. At kamusta kayo dyan sa inyo dyan sa Pilipinas? More birthday to come and I wish that you have a good health. Thank you.
Birthday, Ate Choleng. Sabi mo, more birthdays to come. Happy birthday from England.
With love. Happy birthday, Pinsan. From England, with love. Birthday with your loved one. See you when I see you.
Happy birthday, Ate Choleng. May you have many more birthdays to come. And enjoy your special day.
Many more to come. God bless.
Ligayang kaarawan, Bes. Pasensya ka na. Ito lang mabibigay kong regalo sa iyo. Kasi wala ako dyan. Kahit pa paano. Naman tayo sa ganitong edad. 75 ka na. Pasensya na. Hindi kami makakarating ni Gay kasi busy mag-asawa. Ang masasabi ko sa iyo, Bes. Saka idupura ng aking puso. I love you, Bes. God bless. Bye.